Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can plant flowers in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to plant flowers, you need to unlock level 2 at the gardening hobby. And I've already unlocked the level 2. And after that, you're going to go to the blank at the Winter Utopia. Then you can buy flower seed from her. Okay, I'm going to buy the red daisy seed and also the white daisy seed. Okay, like this, and then I'm going to go back to my garden and start planting the flower. Okay, I've arrived at my home and now I'm going to plant the flowers. You can go to your backpack to equip the flower seed and hold the seed, and to plant the seed, the flower seed, we don't need a planter guys. We can't plant the seed on the planter because the planter is not for the flower seed, but it's for the crab seed. So I'm just going to plant the oops, I haven't unlocked the plot. Okay, I'm going to plant here beside my house, and yeah, just like this. Okay, and then I'm going to plant the white daisy. Okay, oops. Oh, flower plant limit reached. Okay, I'm going to move another flower. Okay, let's plant the white daisy. Okay guys, and that's how we can plant flower seeds in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.